Stuffed strawberry cheesecake chocolate apples. Wow, these are so good. I never thought that I would like cheesecake until I tried these. These are so awesome. And how did I get my apples stuffed with cheesecake? First, let me introduce myself. I'm the DIY Queen Diva. Make sure you hit that like, subscribe, and notification bell to keep updated with me and all of my videos on the weekends and pop-up videos during the week. You will need your Granny Smith apples, your Ghirardelli white melt-in wafers, in which I love to use, your strawberry cheesecake, a wide measuring cup or bowl, a rubber spatula, your silicone mat. You will need toothpicks to align your apples before you dip, your candy apple sticks, which are Wilton's. Here's a look at the packaging. You will also need your color mill or whatever you use to color your chocolate. I use color mill because I have no issues with color mill when I am applying it to my chocolate. Okay, here is my melted chocolate. I will put the link down below on how to melt chocolate. I am going to use my color mill here to color my chocolate. This is pretty much what I love, Ghirardelli chocolate and color mill. I have no issues, never. Like never. I don't have any issues with my chocolate seasoning or anything like that. It's like perfect. The two are perfect together. I have my cookie dough scoops. I'm not sure which size I am going to need, so I have both. I will be using these to core out the middle of the apple. So first we need to cut the apple on top like a little lid, okay? So we're going to core out the middle of the apple and the apple seeds. This one is too big, so I am going to use the smaller cookie dough scoop here to core out the apple and the apple seeds. To keep my apples green on the inside, I am going to apply lemon juice that I purchased from Publix. It's just the store brand here. I get my treat brush and I dip it in the lemon juice and I just apply the lemon juice all over the apple to keep my apple green in the inside. Okay, now I am going to align my apple up and insert two toothpicks in so I can mark my apple. Okay, I am going to take the lid off and insert this lovely strawberry cheesecake. I want to make sure I have crust also inside the apple. And I am just going to push this down with the knife and scrape the extra cheesecake off the apple to make sure my apple is level right. I want to make sure it's leveled really good, so when I place the lid on top, I will not have any cheesecake oozing out of the apple. You do not want that, so it looks great here.
So since I see the
it's
hole
leveled
right here,
off perfect. So now I am going to place the top of the apple lid on the apple. You see the little holes in the apple. Now I can align my apple lid on top of the apple. I am also going to go ahead and put the toothpicks back in the apple to make sure my apple doesn't move, and then apply and stick in the apple stick. After that, I will dip my apple into the chocolate.
Okay, so now I'm gonna take my toothpicks out.
Wipe down your apple before you dip it in your chocolate. Make sure your chocolate is cooled down for about 4 to 5 minutes before you dip your apples. You know what? I am going to seal this little space right here with chocolate. So you just get a treat brush and you just apply chocolate around the line, the lid that connects to the apple. Because when you dip your apples, you want to try as much as possible to make your apples look perfect. You want it to be like a mystery. How did someone stuff their apples? So go ahead and put it in the refrigerator for about 5 minutes. Okay, so it's been 5 minutes. I am going to dip my apples in the chocolate, and I probably could have used 2 bags here, but I am going to work with it and get my apple fully covered. Now you may not be able to tell, but I can kind of see that line where the lid connects to the apple, but that's okay because I'm going to make this apple perfect by drizzling lines on the apple. So I'm out of piping bags. I'm going to use a Ziploc freezer bag and pour my chocolate in and just punch a hole in the bag with the toothpick and drizzle lines on the apple. Look at here. This is pretty much perfect. You cannot tell that this apple has been cut open to stuff strawberry cheesecake into it. See? I'm gonna give you a close look here. That's the line, but you can't tell because I drizzled lines on it. Okay, it is so time to cut this baby open. Yum. Look at the crust, look at the cheesecake. These are so delicious. I mean, these are good because I didn't really care for cheesecake, but it's something about this strawberry cheesecake being inside an apple. It takes it all the way up too many levels. It takes it up another level. So I actually like cheesecake if it's stuffed into an apple. You guys have a great weekend. Make sure you hit that like, subscribe, and notification bell to keep updated with me on the weekends and pop-up videos during the week. Don't forget to tell your friends and family about my channel. Bye-bye.